require? What does good conscience require in the instant case? What does it require? What does justice require? The man is rotting in prison, he needs to come out. But we are not going to illegitimize his application. He needs to come out. And I'm okay with him coming out, but in a proper way.
Concede to that,
So what does justice require? What does equity require? What does good conscience require? In a division like this, where there are other judicial officers, what is too hard with another judicial officer today hearing this matter, one authorized by law, today? That would be justice, that would be equity, that would be good conscience. What is too hard with that? Let Mwizera have his day before a judge and have his application determined.
Your worship,
My Lord, you know, counsel, you are not going to divert me.
that was not my your worship.
I am responding to section.
It shouldn't be restricted to what we stated.
I'm responding to section 14(2)(c), and that is what was raised.
Your worship, we need some moderators.
My brother, please do not distract me. For your record, I cannot be distracted. For your record. Most obliged. And I request my brother, respect.
When he raises up, he takes 60 days.
And then as they see at him, he should wear respect.
And when he starts, if you say he should stand, you stay down.
So my brother, it's my day. What does the principles of justice require? What do the principles of equity require? What do the principles of good conscience require? Under the instant case, where even the registrar wants to receive particulars of sureties, but cannot go further to hear anything further than that. What is justice? When we are going to adjourn the matter, then when a person who can entertain it comes and you see, think about it. Your Honor, it is my duty as a minister of justice to make sure that any illegality, whether it works on my behalf or against my behalf, it is my duty to make sure that it is arrested at the earliest opportune time. And I submit that, Your Honor, the best that this court right now can do is either adjourn this matter till a judicial officer that is authorized appears to handle, or, Your Honor, seek supervisory intervention to have this matter reallocated before any other judge today, and we have this matter disposed of today. I retaliate my earlier